Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 AirPods not connecting issue. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open Sound Settings. Click Playback tab, select AirPods, and set as default. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set 001, click and exand control. Click and expand class. Click and expand starting with E0CBF06C. Create new string named as PNP capabilities, change value data to 24. Exit registry editor and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.